Today we're at Motiongate, Dubai, live from Dubai Parks and Resorts, just outside of Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. We're going to start off with the Columbia Pictures backlot here at Motiongate. The park's divided into various backlots. You got Lionsgate, DreamWorks, Columbia. They have massive bananas, giant ice cream cones. It's a nice facade up there on the hill. We're going to check out the Green Hornet's high-speed chase.
As a result, Brit's internal emptiness turned into an outward rebellion of reckless partying. We hope you enjoy your visit to the museum today. Don't forget to take a spin in one of our restored ectopods in our epic battle.
So the storyline is you're in a museum of the old Ghostbusters, and you're going in a old Ecto 1.
Our authentic recreation of the Evo Chandelier, where the Ghostbusters have their
It was definitely not top-notch ride-making craftsmanship, but it is what it is. It was a fun ride, enjoyable. going into Hotel Transylvania.
Welcome to Hotel Transylvania. We hope you have a monster of a good time.
The Smurf Studio Tour is the headliner attraction in the Smurfs land.
It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got Space Smurfs, Jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job than Smurf.
Hi, I'm Andy Smurf, the camera operator. Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star. I'm Granny Smurf, the director.
Actually, really enjoyed that ride. I thought it was cute and well done. A+ for the Smurfs ride. We're gonna go check out the DreamWorks area of the park now. DreamWorks is actually all indoors. This fountain that they have is just incredible, the detail and all the movie characters. And then surrounding the fountain they have entrances to each of the lands. Kung Fu Panda, Madagascar, and on the other side they have Shrek. This ride over here, Madagascar Mad Pursuit, in the circus tent. That's what I'm looking forward to. It's a coaster.
There's no firing. All right, get around, everybody. Put the toadstool and make yourselves comfortable. Kids, now you settle down because your mom and dad are going to put on a show for us.
This is the story of how your mother and I met. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful swamp. It was full of mud and slime and bugs and snakes and all the things that would make it an ogre's home sweet home. Better out than in, I would say.
By order of Lord Farquaad, we are hereby authorized to place you under arrest and transport you to a designated resettlement facility. Yeah, that's Lord Farquaad.
Lord Farquaad, eh?
What are you talking about?
Now where is he?
He's in jail.
These
easily one of my favorite dark rides that I've ever been on. Sorry, out of focus here. But just, that was awesome. Wow. This land is very, very well done. Holy cow, the dragons fly around. This is How to Train Your Dragon. Oh my gosh, this land is amazing. This is the last themed area that we've yet to check out, the Lionsgate area.
The girl was not not only a standout for her fashion flair, also for her patience, determination, training, boosting her skills.
Here, in the Hall of Heroes, we recognize the contributions of our 12 districts. It is through dutiful labor, compliance, and respect that Pan Am citizens pave the way for even greater glory for our nation.
That'll wrap up my day here at Motiongate. Overall, solid park. The DreamWorks area is outstanding. The rest of it, but I had a good time. Small park, but some solid attractions in there. Definitely worth checking out if you're here in Dubai. And it's not very crowded if you couldn't tell. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be heading to Shanghai Disneyland.